My name is Michael Flint and the company is MF Mobile Welding. I've been running the business for 25 years. I offer a universal service. I try to help everyone that asks me to do some welding. There's not many things that I don't weld. Some of the things I weld are motor cars, RSJs, builders beams, stainless steel, aluminium, motorcycle frames, chandeliers. It's quite endless. Cast iron bases, it's amazing really. My core values are really customer satisfaction and also the love of the welding. I've always loved welding, so for me it's not work, it's my life. Thoroughly enjoy it, and I always help as best I can. I normally get 100% feedback from customers as well. Give a very personal service, and I'm very helpful in any way, and out of hours is not an issue at all for me, and I will bend over backwards to help in any way that I can. If it's a late finish, there's no issue there. I will finish the job. I will work to the early evening hours. It doesn't worry me at all. If I get a call out, I'm there, I'm on tap. They can ring me 7 days a week, 24/7 hours. If the mobile's on, I'm working. I have 19 BSs of approved welding standards and a member of the Welding Institute at Abingdon, and I'm pretty proud of that, and I work to that standard as well.